Dish towels are one of the most reached for items in the kitchen. So why don't we put a little more thought into which ones we buy? Let's be honest. Number 1. Most popular. Swedish Dishcloth Cellulose Sponge Cloths. These Swedish dishcloths impress with packs of 7 different colors, absorption up to 20 times its weight, and ability to be machine washed up to 50 times. The material consists of cellulose sponge and cotton. Each pack of 7 by 8-inch sheets eliminates up to 150 rolls of paper towels and is sold wholesale so customers don't overpay. The brand estimates a single pack to last up to a year. With a fast-drying guarantee, these cloths are going to mainly be used as napkins and paper towels instead of being used for dishwashing. Number 2. Sticky Toffee Cotton Terry Kitchen Dishcloth Towels. These cotton terry towels are thick, highly absorbent, and helpful for many kitchen tasks. Sticky Toffee Cotton Kitchen Dishcloths are made of 100% cotton. Use them to replace your paper products when drying, cleaning, and scrubbing in the kitchen. They'll hold for up to 500 machine washes, but may shrink to less than 12 inches square when using heat to dry. Do wash with light colors and watch for potential dye leakage from the vibrant colors onto the cotton. Number 3. Zeppoli 24-pack Flour Sack Towels. Flour sack cloths may seem old-fashioned, but they remain greatly underrated as a cleaning tool. Zeppoli sack towels dry dishes and clean large surfaces, such as windows, well. You can even double their usefulness by swapping paper napkins out for these flour sack towels. Made from 100% natural ring-spun cotton and machine-stitched around the edges, these cloths are designed to resist shrinkage in the dryer after major washing. Plus, if you decide to hang-dry these sack towels, the lightweight material dries in less than an hour. Number 4. AIDEA Cleaning Wipes 80CT Multi-Purpose Towel. AIDEA cleaning wipes are a bargain when it comes to reusable towels. These highly versatile cloths can absorb dust, scrub, even line the table to catch spills. The material is easy to cut through so you can make customizable squares to extend the lifespan of your stash, plus they can be machine washed up to 25 times a piece. For the best bang for your buck, these are the best contenders. However, make sure to air dry these cleaning wipes after washing instead of throwing them in the dryer. Number 5. MR.SIGA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. MR.SIGA microfiber cloths are thick, non-abrasive, and versatile for cleaning up around the whole house. Mop bathroom floors, dust blinds with zero lint residue, achieve streak-free windows, and more. These 13.8 by 15.7 inch microfiber cloths can adapt to practically any surface, even cars. Microfiber material is known to be absorbent and quick-drying, making these cloths ideal for soaking up messy spills. You can machine wash these up to 500 times and throw them in the dryer, or simply rinse them in water for a quicker clean. Number 6. Utopia Kitchen Flour Sack Dish Towels. Our Kitchen Appliances Deputy Director, Nicole Papantonio, loves these towels so much that she has bought them for her home and the lab. She uses them to clean counters and wipe away grease around the stove, microwave, and more. She says they're super basic, a good value, and all white so they can be bleached. To top it off, they are absorbent, dry quickly, and one of the lowest priced towels on this list. Manufactured using 100% pure ring-spun cotton and knitted in a diagonal fashion. Number 7. All-Clad Textiles Kitchen Towel. With this All-Clad towel, it's like you're getting 2 towels for the price of one. These are two-sided with terry cloth on one side and a flat weave on the other. Reviewers say the terry cloth side is excellent at absorbing water and dries dishes well, while the flat side is perfect to wipe down glasses with a lint-free finish. Shoppers love these towels with over 630 reviews on Amazon and 4.7 rating, though a few reviews say these wrinkle easily. Number 8. Gryeer Microfiber Kitchen Towels. Microfiber dish towels are typically more absorbent than cotton and dry very quickly, making them a great option if you're looking for towels to wipe up spills or dry dishes in the kitchen. This particular material is also ideal for drying glassware without leaving scratches or streaks behind. According to reviews, these lint-free microfiber towels are made with durable fibers and are some of the best on the market. These towels are so nice. I was a little skeptical buying them online. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.